In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for your coaching calls. Whether you're new to scheduling software or looking to streamline your appointment process, exploring Calendly's features could transform the way you handle coaching sessions. Let's dive right in. First, open a web browser and go to calendly.com. Once you're there, look for the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click continue. A seamless interface makes this process straightforward, ensuring that even tech novices can easily navigate through these steps. Next, you will need to enter your password. Ensure your password entry is correct to avoid any access issues. Once you've entered your password, click continue to proceed. This will lead you to your personalized Calendly homepage, which serves as the central hub for managing your scheduling needs. On this homepage, locate the create button. This feature is essential for establishing new events, such as your coaching calls. Click on Create, and from the options that pop up, select the one-on-one event type. This is ideal for personal coaching calls, emphasizing the individual attention you plan to provide each client. After deciding on the event type, you'll need to name your event. Choose a name that resonates with your coaching services, setting a professional tone for potential clients. Following this, select a duration for your meeting. Calendly offers flexibility, allowing you to choose a period that best suits your session's content and flow. Whether you need a 30-minute check-in or a longer session, you can customize this to fit your agenda. Next, you'll be prompted to select a location for your meeting. Calendly integrates with popular platforms like Zoom and Google Meet. Alternatively, you can opt for a phone call depending on what you and your client prefer. Variety here lets you cater to diverse client preferences, making your coaching services more versatile. Now it's time to set your availability. Calendly provides a user-friendly interface to help you choose times that suit you best. By doing so, your clients can see when you're available and book sessions without the back and forth of traditional scheduling methods. Additionally, assign who will be hosting the meeting. This step is crucial if you're working within a team or have a co-host. Once everything is set up, click on Create. With one click, you've efficiently organized a one-on-one event that anyone can access with ease. Lastly, you will have the option to copy the event link. This link can be sent via email, included in your website, or shared on social media platforms. Sharing your link widely increases the chances of filling your calendar with valuable coaching calls. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a coaching call on Calendly. This tool not only enhances organization, but also optimizes your time, allowing you to focus on delivering quality coaching. Thank you for following along, and happy scheduling.